'cause we had it made. Those were the days.
You personally.
You were here. Go. Live.
For the world.
And you knew when you were here.
And you knew what you...
I need some volunteers to help me drink some beers, because you know I don't like drinking alone. Yeah, I got bottles and I got cans, I got all different types of brands. You know I don't like drinking alone. I mean, I will if I have to, but I'd rather not be here by myself. Believe me, that's not my idea of having fun. I prefer a beach, a bikini blonde, a cooler filled with ice. Spending time with you is also nice. I need some volunteers to help me drink some beers, because you know I don't like drinking alone. I've got bottles and I got cans, I got all different types of brands. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. Chrissy, get the pizza, I'll grab my guitar, meet you by the pool. Maybe we'll start with a lager or an ale. We're gonna have a little fun, we're gonna soak up the sun. We're reminiscing about times past, but who's to say how long it all will last? I need some volunteers, yeah, to help me drink some beers. Come on now. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. I got bottles and I got cans, I got all different types of brands. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. All right, come on. You know I need some volunteers to help me drink this beer. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. I've got bottles and I got cans, I got all different types of brands. You know I don't like drinking alone. Let's go. Come on, everybody. I need some volunteers to help me drink some beers. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. I got bottles and I got cans, I got all different types of brands. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. Yeah. Because you know I don't like drinking alone. Drink some beer, because you know I don't like drinking alone.